You've learned what links can do for you and why. You've learned how to create the perfect link. And now, finally, we've reached the point at which I need to answer the question, where am I going to get these links? This is often the biggest question I get from clients. Everything else in SEO seems easy in many ways. So in this section, I'm going to start from the beginning. I'll explain how to get started, how to find the easy links. That includes figuring out who is linking to your competition, because if a page links to a competitor, maybe it's a suitable place for you to get a link too. So I'm going to teach you about the link analysis tools and actually show you how to do a link analysis to figure out who is linking to your site or your competitors. In addition, you'll learn my theory on social networking links, and we'll cover a few things that really don't work so well in linking these days, so you don't get pulled off course into non-productive activities.